Welcome to Salty Beaver Explores. Today we are in Swift Current, Saskatchewan, and it's getting really windy out, so I thought that I would give you a quick tour of the campground that we're staying at. We're at the Kilton Hill Campground, and it is a quick 10-minute drive from Swift Current. So the campground is located off of Township Road 3144. And this is the view. So Swift Current is just down here. But it's beautiful, all the fields, and you get a really nice distant view into the hills across the valley. Now I believe the owners live up here. And then this is the campground. So it's a really small campground. There's only 22 sites. There's not usually anyone here if you're going to check in. They just suggest you choose a site, and later in the evening somebody will come and collect payment. And again, 22 sites. I think there's a couple of tenting sites. And it's all full service hookup. And just go for a little walk down. So there's no store or anything, but the sites are very clean. It's a newer campground, so it's very well looked after. So these are the pull-through sites. So there's 1, 2, 3, I think there's 10 pull-through sites. Oh, I guess there's a number 11 pull-through sites. And there's a little playground here for the kids. And they even have a dog walking area. That kind of goes around the back of the campsite. And it's all field in behind these trees. There's a parking area here with a fire pit, so I believe that's for tenting. And there's one also at the other end of this road here. And this is where we're camped. We're in number 14. And we chose this one because it backs onto a lovely grassed area. And we have a deck that we can put out in the back because we have a toy hauler. And we've got a really nice spot to sit. So this is the area that's behind our trailer. We've got various picnic tables and a horseshoe pit if you want to play horseshoes. There's lots of birds here because of all the trees. There's some kittens that have been around. I think they've been looking for food. And just before we got to this campground on one of the country roads, we actually saw a pronghorn. So that was really cool. Something new for us. And here are the beautiful grain fields. Not sure what they're growing there, wheat or barley. But it's really beautiful and a nice quiet area. And then we'll look back to all the campers. And again, here's a little pathway that goes around to the dog walking area, or is part of the dog walking area. They do have a small washroom and shower room. This is such a beautiful sunset over the fields of wheat. That is it for our little tour of the Kilton Hill Campground. Again, it's a lovely little campground, not a lot of amenities, but very clean. And again, newer, so all the services are new. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming videos about Canada.